Do you love to eat sushi or sashimi? If you consider sushi a delightful treat, but have been ignoring the health risks associated with consuming raw fish, then this video is for you. Join us as we unveil the facts that every sushi enthusiast should know. Discover the eye-opening truth behind the potential dangers of eating raw fish, and learn how to make informed choices when indulging in your favorite Japanese cuisine. The University of Washington did a 40-year study on the link between eating raw fish and parasites in humans. Cases of parasites in humans have increased by 285% in the past few years, due largely to more people eating raw, uncooked seafood. These tiny creatures, often undetectable to the naked eye, can infiltrate your body and wreak havoc on your system. The results of having these unwanted guests invade your body can range from mild discomfort to intestinal cramps to severe illness. Parasites come in various forms, from microscopic protozoa to larger worms that invade internal organs. Parasites' ability to adapt and find refuge within a human host is truly remarkable, making them an ongoing threat that should never be underestimated. Moreover, parasites have been known to disrupt the immune system's delicate balance by releasing toxins into our bloodstream. This interference weakens our body's natural defense mechanism and leave us vulnerable to other infections or diseases. These relentless invaders can transmit a wide array of infections, such as malaria, toxoplasmosis, giardiasis, and many others. Parasites can cause chronic fatigue, digestive issues, weight loss, anemia, and even organ damage. Prevention is key when it comes to protecting yourself from these insidious creatures. Maintaining good hygiene practices, such as washing hands regularly before meals and after using the restroom, is crucial in limiting exposure. Additionally, drinking clean water from trusted sources and properly cooking food are essential steps in preventing parasitic infections. If you suspect you have parasites within your body, medical intervention becomes important. Healthcare providers possess the expertise necessary for accurate diagnosis through laboratory tests or imaging techniques. Now here are some ways to eliminate parasites from the body naturally. Drink water with fresh lemon juice. Use fresh garlic and cloves in your food. Garlic and cloves have powerful antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal properties. Clove essential oil kills internal parasites by destroying the eggs that worms lay in the intestinal tract. There is also sweet wormwood supplement that has antimicrobial properties that helps clear up infections and kills parasites. Another popular antiparasitic solution is diatomaceous earth, or DE. You can simply add DE to the drinking water every day. It cleans the intestinal tract and kills parasites. Lastly, there is nano silver. Known for its healing properties, when you drink it daily, it eliminates parasites naturally. Remember, everything we eat has an impact on our health and well-being. In conclusion, understanding the potential risks that parasites pose should not be taken lightly, but rather serves as a reminder of how important it is to prioritize our health and take proactive measures to minimize exposure. By remaining vigilant and adopting preventive practices, we can safeguard ourselves against the hidden dangers that parasites may bring. It's important to take good care of our health, for ourselves, and for the people we love. Let us know in the comment section if you have any questions or comments. If you liked this video, click like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.